So, crappy video number 2. I took my controller apart just to see what the fuck was going on. It was actually fairly simple. You can just find another video on how to do that. I took it apart and I was just looking around and listening for the sound when plugging it in. I took apart the cables. This board just pry on it and it's just gonna come off, and this is the headphone jack is just gonna pop out. So just playing around with it, trying to connect and disconnect a few things and see what was happening. I did not find anything burnt or shorted or anything like that at all on the controller, on this side or the back side of the boards or the one under it. What I did conclude though is it's actually working now again. Let me just plug it in. You're gonna see the small motor vibrate, and it's just going to work. And you can see right there. Alright, so what I did was just the conclusion that I came up with is there's something with these cables. Initially I just disconnected that one and it started working again. If I would connect it back, you would hear the buzzing from my first video. So there's something with the wireless card on here that's causing that issue. Although right now it's working again, even if it's connected, and I'm just never gonna be able to put this back on here. Give me just a moment. I'm just really bad at this. Let me just pause it. Okay, an eternity later, I plugged it back in, so let me just hook it up. There we go, it's working. So I have no freaking idea what caused it. I just lifted up the board, the headphone jack came off, and unplugged these two cables, played around with especially the right one, that one right here. So I did notice that with both connected it wasn't buzzing it and it wasn't working. I just removed this one, the one on the right, and everything started working again, and now it looks like it's working completely. What I did notice, let me try to zoom in, is on that cable there's a little bump on it. Hold on, let me look at it with my eye first. Where is it? Right here. I'm not sure if you guys can see that right in the center where it says TP34 right there. So I'm not sure why that sort of bulged. If that's related at all, it's just a cable. I don't think it is. But yeah, it's just working again. So if you're like me, you don't have a warranty, and you've hit this really fucking strange issue, just take it apart, play around these two cables, move them around, and it's just gonna start working again. And that's it. End of crappy video number 2.